Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create this trend video. This template turns any photo into a wallpaper. So you've been scrolling through TikTok and you've been seeing these kind of videos and you want to know how to create it. Then let me show you how to do this. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once CapCut is downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here you're searching for turn photo in wallpaper. And in the search results, you're looking for this kind of videos here. This template turns any photo into a wallpaper, or this one here. Now within those videos, you're looking for CapCut try this template. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you the template which you're going to use. Go ahead and tap on use template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut and again it'll show you the template. Go ahead and tap on use template again. Now you want to go ahead and choose a photo from your phone library which you want to make it into a wallpaper. So I'll go ahead and choose this and then I'll tap on preview. Now this will take your photo and will turn it into a video for your wallpaper. Now if you like what it's created for you, go ahead and tap on export at the top right. Then tap on save and share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Since this is a template, the music has already been added. You can go ahead and add your text, stickers or any effects and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, that is how to create this template turns any photo into a wallpaper. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.